Hello everyone, this is Nutan Guide and here I am going to start the most powerful language Python. It is the first lecture about Python. So here I only focus over the basic concept related Python. What is Python? Why learn Python? Why not Java, C or C++? So friends, if you are new for this channel, then please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell button to update it with my content. So now let us start. Python That's are designed by Guido van Rossum. जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, he is Guido van Rossum who designed Python. As we know that Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language, and Python Software Foundation, that is the developer of Python, where Python first appeared 20 February 1991. Now, let us detail. Yeah, Python Software Foundation, that is the developer of Python. Now detail with Python. What is Python? Python है क्या? As we know that Python is one of the most powerful high-level language, but it is also easiest and useful programming language, which is widely used in the software industries. Due to its easiest coding, it's recommended for beginners who are new to the software engineering field. As we know that the idea of coding in Python is too easy. The idea to writing the coding in Python is too easy. We can say that the idea of writing the coding in Python is easier than C, C++, Java, or any another software, any another programming language. It's so people use Python for machine learning, data analysis, scientific research, web development, and creating software also. Now the question should be raised, how we can justify that? The writing of idea, the coding of idea in Python is too easier than another software, another language like C, C++, Java. So now, come on the example. If you try to print the addition of two-digit number by the help of Java coding, then you will have to type the minimum 5 to 10 lines only to print addition of two numbers. Now, you notice over the coding in C, if you like to print only the addition of two numbers by the help of C programming, then again you will have to type minimum 5 to 10 lines to print the addition of two numbers. Now, if we talk about C++, then same as Java and C, again you will have to type minimum 5 to 10 lines to print the addition of two numbers after the follow its rule and regulation. Now, when you notice over the Python coding, then you find that only 3 to 4 lines you can print the addition of two numbers and you get such a types of output. Like only you will type here a equal to the number that you want to add, b equal to the number that you want to add, sum what a plus b, and again directly print what then sum. So I think the idea of writing the coding in Python is too understandable than another language like C, C++, and Java. Okay, now come on the screen of Python. Yeah, it is Python platform. So now enjoy with Python. Simply to add two numbers, we type here a equal to the value that you want to add, b equal to the value that you want to add. Simply type sum equal to what? That a plus b. I want to add a plus b, and directly print what? Then sum. As soon as we press enter, we get output like as 60. Okay. If you have Python software is not available, then you can directly open online compiler Python. Simply you click over any browser that you install. Now type online compiler, Python compiler. Now click over online Python compiler. Now type here program. It will directly run. जैसे हमने टाइप किया a equal to 10, b equal to 50, what I want to sum equal to what? A plus b, and simply we print what? Sum. Okay. Now press, not enter. Now click over run. Now you can see that the result as the sum equal to 60, code execution successfully. So thank you. In this video, I only talk about the basic about Python. In the next video, I will discuss the detail about Python. Thank you for watching this.